Hello guys, welcome to eMath Edge. My name is David Akwashki and I'm here to help you master mathematics and give you the edge you need to succeed in your exams. Here at eMath Edge, I will practically be solving mathematics past question for senior school examinations, where I will be breaking down the whole process into simple, easy to understand steps. I actually understand that preparing for math exams can really be hectic, but believe me, understanding how to approach these questions, most especially the AC part, will ease you a whole lot of stress. And that is what this platform is designed to do for you. Each video is designed to boost your confidence and make math exam feel less like a mystery, but more like a basic thing you can conquer. So with that being said, let's get started. So these are NICO questions for 2021. Now the question says, if A is a matrix which is 3, -2, 1, and 4, right? Find the determinant of A and state whether the matrix is invertible. So in this case, you are asked to do two things. Number one is for you to find the determinant of the matrix A, which is this. And number two, it is for you to confirm or to find out if the matrix is invertible or not. So, without wasting much time, let's go ahead and find the determinant first. Solution. Now, there is a matrix. Matrix A is equal to 3 minus 2. We have 1 and 4, right? Now, for us to obtain the determinant, which is we can write it as determinant A or absolute bracket of A, is still the same thing. In order to obtain the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, what we do is simple. This is a major diagonal which have the elements 3 and 4, right? And this is the other diagonal. So, since we have a 2 by 2 matrix to be this, how to approach or how to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix is simply to multiply the element in the main diagonal, then subtract the product of the elements in the other diagonal. So let's go ahead and do that. Determinant A is therefore going to be the product of the elements in the main diagonal is 3 multiplied by 4 minus the product of the elements in the other diagonal, which is 1 and minus 2. So it's going to be the product of 1 and minus 2, right? So let's simplify further. 3 multiplied by 7 is going to give us 12 minus 1 multiplied by minus 2 is going to give us minus 2, which is equal to simplify further, we are going to have 12 minus negative 2. So it's going to be 12. Now, this is a negative sign, this is a negative sign. And we know negative multiplying negative is going to give us a positive operation. So it's going to be 12 plus 2, which is equal to 14. So this is the determinant of this matrix E. Now we've succeeded in obtaining the determinant, which is 14. So the next thing to do is to confirm or to verify whether the matrix is invertible or not. And I can tell you with the solution of the determinant, which we've gotten to be 14, that this matrix is invertible. Why? Because for you to know if a matrix is invertible or not is when the determinant is equal to 0 or not. To find the inverse of a matrix, the formula E, which is inverse, is equal to 1 all over the determinant of that matrix E multiplied by the adjoint of that matrix. Now, this is the formula for finding the inverse of a matrix, right? So if you are able to obtain the inverse of a matrix, then that simply means that the matrix is invertible. But if the determinant of that matrix A is 0 and you were not able to obtain the inverse of that matrix, it means that matrix is not invertible. So if you observe in this case, we obtain the determinant to be 14. And if we are to substitute the determinant into this formula, then we will be able to arrive at a single answer. But in a case whereby the determinant of that matrix is 0 and we cannot solve for the inverse, if it is 0, that is to say we are going to have 1 all over 0. The determinant is going to be 0, and any number or any value dividing 0 is undefined. So we cannot obtain a single value for inverse. That makes the matrix not to be invertible. So in conclusion, we can see that the matrix A is invertible. So with this, we've come to the end of this video. Stay tuned and engage for the next one. Also, remember the goal of this platform is to solve as many past questions as possible just to help you overcome what I call a maths exam tension. So if you have any challenging question from this topic that you would like me to help you solve, kindly reach out to me via email or DM, or kindly drop them at the comment section and I'll be glad to assist. Thanks for watching and have a great day.